Namaste. Selfishness. We are all selfish in our own ways, in our own level, depending on with what we identify ourselves. If we identify with only our body, that I only want my well-being, I'm only focused on my own well-being, and I'm not very conscious of or aware of, or I don't care about the well-being of others around me. So, selfishness, the concept of self, on that it depends what kind of selfishness it is. If it's only me, my body, myself, then that's a very low level of selfishness. If one also cares about one's family, because he identifies the family with his self, then that's good. That's a good family person. His idea of self is connected to his city, his state, his country. That person would also care about the well-being and about the issues of the state, the city, the country. That is a very good kind of selfishness, isn't it? After spiritual realization, when you see that you are connected with the whole of universe, then you really care about earth and nature and climate and the balance of everything, isn't it? That is the highest kind of selfishness, I would say. That kind of selfishness is almost selflessness. So he is concerned about his own well-being also, and also the well-being of the whole, the microcosm as well as the macrocosm, both. He understands the balance of both, that the well-being of each particle is as important, because if each drop of the ocean is healthy, then the ocean is healthy. So selfishness at its lowest levels is, I wouldn't say bad, but it's better when you evolve into greater and greater, more expansive sense of self. And ultimately that selfishness becomes almost selflessness. Selfishness isn't good or bad. What kind of selfish you are just shows your own spiritual level. If you are just this much, me, myself, my body, my happiness, my career, my, that means you are in the lowest ranks of evolution. And the more higher you go, you are concerned about your city, your state, your country, your family, also yourself. Not that you are excluding yourself, but you are concerned about the whole. So we are all selfish in one sense or the other. Namaste.